Hi guys, if you ride the bus to school, this is where you'll get dropped off. Here's the front of the school. And this ramp right here by the big tree is the pre-K ramp. This is the one that we're going to come in. You'll see the pre-K courtyard. We'll be doing some things out there this year. And when you walk up the ramp, this is the door you'll come in. Right? Very easy. When you come in the door, you'll see some water fountains. We're not using those. We will have cups in our room. And then you'll see lots of green lockers. One of them will have your name on. And you will put some of your things in that locker. You'll be keeping a lot in there this year. You'll keep coats and probably shoes. But the first door that you see is our classroom door. This bulletin board says, "Welcome to Pre-K," and your name will be on one of those tents. So the first thing we're going to do when we come in our room is everybody is going to wash their hands. We don't want to bring any germs in with us. So you're going to come in and find a penguin sticker to stand on. That'll show you where you can wait for your turn to wash. One of the washing places is in the bathroom. That's this door right here. It says go. That means there's nobody in there. Let's see if I can get it open. If you need to go to the bathroom, you're going to turn it to stop. That means no one else can go in. And then you'll go in, you'll close the door, and you'll use the toilet, and you'll wash your hands. But in the morning when we come in, we'll have the door open, and we'll be taking turns using this sink to wash our hands. There are 2 places we can wash. So I'm going to show you a little bit around the room, and at the back we'll see the second place where there are some stickers to stand on and wait for your washing turn. We have a coat closet. You can see our birthday chart. We'll celebrate your birthday at school. We will sing to you and give you a crown and let you choose a present. This is called the coat closet. You will have one of those hooks to put your backpack on. Your mailbox will be in there too. That will have things for you to take home. Our windows will be open a lot of the time when we come to school. This is where we keep our blocks. We won't be able to play with all the blocks at the same time, but there will be lots of toys that we take turns getting out for people to play with. We're taking turns playing with toys so that we can make sure we keep them clean and we don't bring any COVID germs into our class. Some of you might eat breakfast or lunch at one of those chairs. Some of you might eat breakfast or lunch at that table or that table. So you'll wash your hands. You'll find your place at one of these tables. We will help you find it. We'll have your name there and we'll help you find it. And then when we tell you it's your turn, you will have a name card to bring all the way up to the front of the room to put away. I'm going to turn the camera slowly. Look at all those books. You'll have your own set of books to look at while you're at school, and you'll keep it in your locker. There's our other sink. So maybe you'll wash at that sink. Sometimes maybe you'll wash at the bathroom sink. Do you see the paint easel? There'll be lots of art. We have a housekeeping place. There's ovens and kitchens and tables and sinks and refrigerator. There's a tool kit over in the corner. So sometimes we'll have toys out, and that will be a choice to play. Sometimes we'll have big toys out like ships and dollhouses. Or tracks and tree houses. This is called our job chart. We do a lot of things with this part of the room. This is where we often do our jobs in the morning. You can see there's a home pocket and a school pocket. That's where we'll have you put your name to show us if you came to school. You might have a job of telling the weather, or helping with the calendar, or helping water plants, or sharing something about yourself. We don't do all those jobs on the first days, but we add jobs as you get used to being at school, and everybody will have something to help with. And there's the door of our room. If you get brought to school by your family, you will come in a different door, and I'll just show you where that door is. Right there. And so you'll walk right straight to our classroom. Mrs. Reed or Mrs. Hopkins or I or Miss Ashley will be at that door to open it up and let you in. And you will come right straight across, and you can start seeing the green lockers again. And the hallway, and our classroom door. So you're very close, whichever door you come in. Well, I can't wait till you get to come to school. And when you come, there will be places for you to eat your breakfast or your lunch. And then there will be a lot of things to do, to play and build and read. And we'll have a great year together. Thanks for visiting. Bye.